1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Have you seen the well-to-do up on Lenox Avenue? That famous thoroughfare with their noses in the air, high hats and arrow collars, white snaps and lots of dollars, spending every dime on a wonderful time. If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits, putting on the Ritz. Different types of wear a day coat, pants with stripes and cutaway coats, perfect fits, putting on the Ritz. That's where each and every little belle goes. Every Thursday evening with her swell bows, rubbing elbows, come with me where Rockefellers walk with sticks and umbrellas in their mitts, putting on the Ritz. She had a thing about the king of Sweden. He gave her things she was needing. He built her a house of gold and steel, a diamond car with platinum wheels. Heidi, 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 Heidi. Howdy, 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 ho. Heidi, Heidi, ho. Poor men, poor men, poor men. Thank you.
Chinatown, my Chinatown, where the lights are low. Hearts that know no other land, are drifting to and fro. Dreamy, dreamy Chinatown, almond eyes are brown. Hearts seem light and life is bright in dreamy Chinatown.
Everybody wants to be a cat because the cat's the only cat who knows where it's at. Everybody's picking up that feline beat because everything else is obsolete. A square with a horn makes you wish you weren't born every time he plays. A square in the act takes music back to the caveman days. I heard some crazy cats who tried to sing, but a cat's the only cat who knows how to swing. You'll always find a welcome mat, 'cause everybody wants to be a cat. Everybody, everybody, everybody wants to be a cat. Come on. Everybody, everybody, everybody wants to be a cat. everything else is obsolete. A cat with a horn makes you wish you weren't born every time he plays. You swear in the act, you take music back to the caveman days. I heard some crazy birds who tried to sing, but a cat's the only cat who knows how to swing. You'll always find a welcome mat, 'cause everybody wants to be a cat. Everybody wants to be a cat. Come on. Everybody wants to be a cat. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed tonight, and